Hi everyone, welcome back to another short tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you the latest update from Microsoft they made on Microsoft App Store. So before this update, you usually install the applications through Microsoft App Store by just clicking on each application and then click on download. But after this update, you don't need to install the applications one by one. There is a new feature called multi-app install. This multi-app install feature introduced by Microsoft recently. If you click on multi-app install, here it's mentioned that select and install multiple app at once. So there are plenty of options like productivity, creativity, social, entertainment, tools and utilities, and personalization. To install multiple apps in once, what you have to do, let's say for example I am going to select Microsoft Teams. From productivity, creativity I will select CapCut and Canva. Social I will select Instagram, TikTok and WhatsApp. As you can see here, I have selected a couple of apps from each section, and in the right side appears here under you selected apps. The total applications are 6. So we can select as much as we can, and then if we click on install selected, the all apps will be installed in your PC at once. Hope this video helps you out to install the apps on Microsoft Store. So that's it for today. See you in the next video.